identify what is wrong in our referral hospitals internally and externally is a very good idea. And it can only be enriched by us members and experts to make it even much better. So his idea for amendment of Article the Health Act number 79 is actually correct. But the question is it adequate to address the myriad challenges that are facing our referral system? Mr. Speaker, what is it that we refer? A doctor refers a patient when his training or professional competencies are not adequate to handle that particular matter. Capacity and competence, the competence, the training that you have to actually handle that particular matter is not adequate. So you refer to the next person or professional that has that particular knowledge to handle that particular matter even much better to rescue the patient. You can also refer when the equipment that you in possession in that hospital are not actually sufficient or good enough to handle the matter. Mr. Speaker, what is happening in our county governments? What is happening in the health sector, notwithstanding the comments by their chairman, is that when devolution devolved to health, when the constitution devolved to health to county governments, big names were given to our hospitals. You hear every district health center call a referral, and the big hospital in the county is called level 5, level 4. So Speaker, truly to these hospitals' merit or what they do able to qualify for that particular position called level 5, level 4? The answer is a big no. The answer is a big no. We have big names called level 4, level 5, which are not actually supposed to be, they don't have the capacity to actually handle the cases that are referred in level 5 or level 4. Mr. Speaker, what is happening today, even in our hospitals, our referral hospitals, is every Tom, Dick, and Harry goes to a referral hospital, even without a letter of referral. And I understand, Mr. Speaker, because when it comes to matters of life, you rush to the nearest place that will save your life. But, Mr. Speaker, there is need, as Barasa University in this amendment, there is need to put the health sector in order. And the people to put the health sector in order are members of parliament. Because the pain that patients undergo on the ground is so huge. So, Speaker, you go to a level 5 hospital, and the doctor refers you to a clinic that does not have a level to go and buy medicine. What the honorable member for Nyeri said, there is a cartel. So, Speaker, the cartel, the mafia that is talking about, that was devolved from Avia House Mafia, are now in the counties called CMTs or county management teams. That is another cartel in our county governments. What happens there is, so Speaker, the CMTs micromanage the doctors until they lose morale. And the doctors do business. So, how does this thing happen? A doctor who has a private hospital organizes with those who are in government facilities that when you get a patient that has a very good insurance cover, refer that patient to my hospital so that I get something, and you get your commission. So you realize doctors compete to refer to various private hospitals so that at the end of the day, he goes to collect the commissions. And maybe even those hospitals are actually their own hospital. I have in mind a doctor who owns a hospital here in Kenya, a very serious hospital. And then when that doctor became sick, he did not go for admission in his own hospital, he went abroad. So now, what does it mean? That you don't have confidence, even what you own yourself, and the people that are doing that particular job. So, Mr. Speaker, I call upon Honorable Dismas Barasa, to actually, this is the time to actually sort out the health sector through law, amending the act. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I encourage my brother Dismas Barasa to even bring an amendment to bring back the health workers to the national government.